Okay. So question number 1, the diagram on the right shows two circles. PTQ is a common tangent to both circles, given that given the length of KT equals to LT, angle KLT equals to 61 degree, and angle SNT equals to 42 degree. Calculate angle LTQ. So as you can see, this triangle KTL is an isosceles triangle. So angle at here is 61, same as this angle. And this angle also equals to 61 because this is alternate segment. So answer 61, alternate segment. Question B, the value of x. So x is here. First, you need to calculate this angle. This angle equals to 42, same as this angle, because both from the same arc as T. Next, this angle equals to 58, which is 180 minus 61 minus 61. Then this angle also equals to 58 because this is intersecting angle. So x equals to 180 minus 58 minus 42 equals to 80. So this is the answer for number 1. You can mark the answer now. And if you have any question, please ask. Next, question number 2. The diagram on the right shows two circles centered at O and P respectively. ABCD is a common tangent to both circles. Calculate the area of trapezium OCBC, OBCP in cm square, correct to 3 significant figures. So this is the trapezium. You need to calculate this area. So first you need to know the length of BC. So first you need to draw a straight line, a dashed line, blue dashed line like this. Sekejap Okay. Sorry, ada hal sekejap tadi. Okay. So, this angle here is 3 degree because this is 90 degree. So, 93 degree minus 93 is 3. So, you can use trigonometric ratio to calculate the length of BC. Length here is 0.7, which is 5.2 minus 4.5. Ada yang nak masuk. Good afternoon, Intan. So we continue. So length of BC equals to 13.35. Next, area of trapezium. You can use the formula of area of trapezium 1/2 time BC time 4.5 plus 5.2 equals to 64.8 cm square. Next, question number 3. The diagram on the right shows a circle with center O. Given that the radius of the circle is 3 cm, QR is 8 cm, and PQR is a tangent to the circle. Determine angle TRQ. So angle TRQ is here. So you can use triangle SQR like this. So you want to calculate this angle. You know that SQ equals to 6 cm and QR is 8 cm. Then you can use trigonometric ratio. Tangent TRQ equals to 6 over 8. So angle TRQ equals to tangent inverse 6 over 8. You get 36 degree 52 minute. You can also give your answer in degree. Okay, next B, the length ST in cm. So ST is here. First, you need to calculate the length of SR. SR equals to 6 square minus 8 square square root. Sorry, plus 8 square because you want to calculate the hypotenuse. So 6 square plus 8 square square root equals to 10. So the length of SR equals to 10 cm. Now you have to calculate length of TR. Length of TR. So you can use this triangle TQR. You know this angle just now is 36 degree 52 minute. Then you can use trigonometric ratio cos adjacent over hypotenuse. Adjacent is TR, hypotenuse is 8. So TR equals to 6.4. So ST equals to 10 minus 6.4 equals to 3.6 cm. Next, the last question. Question number 4. The diagram on the right shows a circle with center O. PQ is the tangent to the circle. Calculate the radius of the circle. The radius here is OQ. So O center to this point also radius. So I put R here for radius. OQ radius, O to this point also radius. Now you can use, since this is 90 degree and triangle POQ equals to right angle triangle. POQ is a right angle triangle, so you can use Pythagoras theorem to calculate R, which is 12 square, this side square, plus the other side, R square, equals to hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is PO, which is 8 plus R. Okay, 8 plus R square. So this is Pythagoras theorem. You have to solve this Pythagoras theorem in order to get the value of R. First, you need to expand this, become 64 plus 16R plus R squared. Next, I change the position of these two. So it's easier for me to calculate the value of R. Since both sides has R squared, so you can cancel out this R squared. Next, 16R equals to 12 square is 144 minus 64. Then you will get 16R equals to 80. R equals to 80 divided by 16 equals to 5 cm. So R here is 5 cm. Boleh tak soalan ni? No? Okay, ada soalan?
No, teacher.
Alright. So B and C, question B, simple. Just now is 5 cm. So OP equals to 8 plus 5 equals to 13 cm. Area of triangle OPQ. So you can use formula area of triangle. 1/2 time base time height. Height is 5 cm equals to 30 cm square. So that's all for this exercise. So kita dah habis dah chapter 6. I really hope that you can answer all of question in this chapter. You ingat semua properties of yang mula-mula kita belajar tu. Ada banyak apa tu, angle at circumference, angle at center. Then ada cyclic quadrilateral, lepas tu tangent. So kena ingat semua ya. Okay, next. Kita nak masuk topik baru which is chapter 7, plan and elevation. Topik ni dia tak susah sangat kalau you betul-betul bagi tumpuan. Okay. Tapi kalau you tak bagi tumpuan, dia akan jadi susah. So please pay attention. So our learning standard for today's lesson, draw orthogonal projection. So before that, what is plane and a normal to a plane? You have studied object in 2 and 3 dimension in form 1, I think. Each of these objects consists of flat surfaces or curved surfaces or both. For example, here cylinder got 2 flat surfaces and 1 curved surface. For cone, 1 flat surface, 1 curved surface. For sphere, there is no flat surface, only curved surface. The diagram on the right shows a quarter of a right cylinder with a horizontal base PQRS. Both PSTU and PQRS are plane and QRTU is a curved surface. Okay, so a plane is the flat surface of an object. Itu maksud plane. Plane is the flat surface. Flat surface sahaja kita panggil plane. Curved surface kita tak sentuh untuk topik ini. Only for flat surface. There are 3 types of planes, namely horizontal plane, vertical plane, and inclined plane. Okay, the diagram on the right show a right prism with a horizontal plane ABCD. So ABCD is a horizontal plane. So horizontal sebab dia mendatar kan, this plane mendatar. So we call it as horizontal plane. Okay. ABF and CDE are vertical plane. Yang mana tu? Okay. This one. ABF and CDF. Okay, ini adalah vertical plane. Plane yang menegak. Plane tu satah menegak. Okay. Vertical plane yang mendatar ni horizontal plane. BCEF and ATEF are inclined plane. So these other 2 plane We name it as inclined plane. Okay, the line FM and EN are perpendicular to the line AB and CD respectively. Perpendicular mean 90 degree lah. So this is line AB and this is FM. So angle here is 90 degree. So FM and EN is the normal to the plane ABCD. Apa ni? Okey, yang membentuk 90 degree ni, line yang membentuk 90 degree, we call it as normal to the plane ABCD. Okey, sebab plane yang terlibat adalah ABCD. Okay, kalau tak faham tak apa, kita tengok example. For that, a normal to a plane is a straight line that is perpendicular or that form a right angle to any line on the plane. Normal to a plane tu actually straight line that is perpendicular to the plane. Okay, example. The diagram on the right shows a cube. So this is the cube. State the normal to the following plane. A, plane PQRS. So which is the plane? So here is plane PQRS. So what is the normal to this plane? Okay, so this is the first one, UP, because this line form a 90 degree to the plane. Okay, ada satu je ke? No, ada banyak. Next, VQ. Line VQ also perpendicular to the plane PQRS. Next, WR, also 90 degree to this plane. And TS. So answer UP, VQ, WR and TS. So the order of letter to specify a normal is important. Means you tak boleh tulis your answer PU. PU wrong. QV also wrong. RW wrong. ST wrong. Okay, for this topic only, the letter is to the normal is important. So nak baca yang mana dulu? V and then the letter in the plane. So VQ, WR, TS, UP. Okay. Kalau ada soalan tanya B, plane PSTU. So this is the plane PSTU. So what is the normal to this plane? So first one, QP, 90 degree. Next, RS, WT and VU. So this is the answer. QP, RS, WT, VU. Order of this letter tak boleh terbalik. Okay. Boleh faham ke?
Faham, teacher.
Okay. Next, look at this plane, RSTU. So this is the plane, RSTW. So what is the normal to this plane? First one, QR 90 degree, PS, UT, and VW. QR, PS, UT, and VW. Okay, QRTU. So this is the plane. QRTU. So what is the normal to this plane? First one is P, V, and SW. This is the 90 degree. This line perpendicular to the plane UQRT or QRTU. That is how you identify the normal to the plane. Okay, have a look at this example 2. The diagram on the right show a right prism with rectangular base ABCD. M and N are the midpoint of AB and CD respectively. Given FG equals to EH equals to DN equals to NC equals to AM equals to MB. State the normal to the following plane. First one, ABCD. So ABCD, this horizontal line. So the normal to the plane is FA. Lagi apa? Siapa nak cuba jawab?
GM.
GF.
GM. Like create a line between G and M.
Yes. GM. GM. Because this line also form 90 degree to the plane. Okay, lagi?
ED. Teacher.
Yes, correct. ED. Oh, sorry, dah bagi jawapan untuk ni pula. Your friend said just now ED. Another one, HN. So all together have 4. Jangan confuse tau. So FA, GM, HN, and ED. GB tak boleh. Sebab GB tak jadi 90 degree. Okay, next ADEF. Okay, what is the normal to this plane? Apa nak cuba?
EH, teacher.
Again? EH. You said just now EH.
Yes, teacher.
Correct. The first one is EH. Lagi?
DC, teacher.
Tapi ni salah tau. Sepatutnya HE. Okay, lagi?
GF.
Yes, correct. GF. Sama?
CD.
CD. Correct. CD. One more.
BA, teacher.
Correct. BA. Bagus. Maksudnya dah faham lah tu. So this is all for normal to the plane ADEF. Okay, now kita nak tengok orthogonal projection pula. Alamak, apa ni? Okay. Normal tadi dah tahu kan? Ni orthogonal projection pula. Okay. In diagram 1, PQ is a straight line where point Q lies on the horizontal plane ABCD. PR is a normal line to the plane ABCD. The straight line RQ, which lies on the plane ABCD, is an orthogonal projection of the straight line PQ on the plane ABCD. Macam mana ni? Okay, you kena imagine dia ada satu horizontal plane which is ABCD. Okay, horizontal plane ABCD, and then ada object. Object ni adalah a straight line from Q to P. A straight line from Q to P where Q berada di atas plane ABCD. Q lies on the horizontal plane ABCD. So what is the normal for this plane and line PQ? So ni R ni kena tambah sendiri. So P to R, PR is normal to this object. Normal to the plane. Dia macam ni, dia mula-mula you kena imagine you ada diagram A, B, C, D. Then you ada satu line macam ni which is QP. Okay. So you kena imagine seolah-olah macam ada light di sini. Torchlight ke apalah, light to P, and point P ni dia akan ada shadow dia ataupun bayang-bayang dia pada plane ABCD. Dapat bayangkan tak? Ada light dekat P, so point P dia punya shadow akan jatuh di sini. So kita letak dia sebagai R. So PR ni akan jadi normal. Normal to the plane, and QR akan jadi orthogonal projection. Dia complicated sikit. Tapi kalau you betul-betul faham dia tak ada masalah. Okay, tak apa, kita tengok next slide. Okay, now object PQ, both point not lies on the plane ABCD. Dia macam hanging. Kan, PQ ni macam hanging. So kalau I letak light dekat P, dia punya shadow akan jadi dekat R. Light at Q, shadow here S. So PR and QS is the normal. And the shadow of line QP or PQ, kalau you letak light dekat line QP ni, dia akan ada shadow dia kan dekat SR ni. So this one we call it as orthogonal projection. Okay, boleh tak? Senyap je, okey ke tu?
Teacher, can you repeat? I don't understand. Just now I accidentally exit the Google Meet.
Okay. You ada plane ABCD, plane horizontal plane. Okay. This is horizontal plane. You kena imagine this is horizontal plane. Macam you letak one paper dekat atas meja. Okay. Then let's say QP ni adalah pencil ataupun pen. You letak di atas A4 paper. A4 paper ABCD. And this pen hanging. Maksudnya you kena pegang lah. Okay, kalau you letak light dekat atas objek ni, dia akan ada shadow dia dekat A4 paper tu. Which is SR. So SR ni adalah orthogonal projection. the line SR. As you can see, the length of SR and QP dia tak sama panjang. SR ni lebih pendek. Sebab dia shadow kan. So yang QS and PS akan jadi normal. Normal to the plane. Ni nama dia tau, normal to the plane. Line PR and QS is the normal to the plane ABCD. So, what is orthogonal projection? Orthogonal projection are images formed on a plane, just now SR, when the projected line from an object is perpendicular to the plane. Inilah. Okey, contoh. Okay, in diagram 1 and 2, we have identified the orthogonal projection for the line. Yang tadi tu. Diagram 1 and 2 yang ni. This one diagram 2. This is diagram 1. Okay. We have identified the orthogonal projection for a line. Line PQ tadi. Now for diagram 3 and diagram 4 shows the orthogonal projection of a two-dimensional plane and a three-dimensional object. Tadi kita hanya tengok line saja. Okay, yang ni like dia ni dari depan lah, dari depan. Okay, so P akan pergi dekat A. Q to B, R to C, S to D. So A, B, C, D adalah orthogonal projection for object P, Q, R, S. Yang Q, B, R, C, P, A, S, D ni adalah normal. Normal to the plane. Yang ni light dari atas. So bawah ni adalah dia punya shadow ataupun orthogonal projection. This one for vertical plane, this one for horizontal plane. Ni cikgu dah sebut tadilah. Orthogonal projection ABCD. This is normal to the plane. For diagram 4, ER, FS, GT and HU, yang green color tu adalah normal to the plane, and orthogonal projection is RS, TU. Okay, diagram 5 and diagram 6, ini adalah untuk 3D. 3D. This one 2D. Two-dimensional plane. This one for diagram 5 and 6, this is a three-dimensional object. Three-dimensional object. Walaupun dia objek, you letak light dekat atas, dia hanya akan ada satu lapis sahaja orthogonal projection. Okay. Untuk diagram 6 pun sama. This is 3D object, tapi dia punya orthogonal projection tu dalam bentuk 2D. Ni lebih kurang macam orthogonal projection ni lebih kurang macam bayang-bayang lah. You letak light kat sini, you akan nampak bayang-bayang ni. You letak light dekat atas, you akan nampak bayang-bayang ni. This bayang-bayang is orthogonal projection for this object. Okay, so for diagram 5, the object cuboid, so normal to the plane, the green color, which is PA, QB, RC, and CD. And the orthogonal projection is ABCD. For right prism, diagram 6, the normal to the plane yang green color, which is AP, IU, LT, DQ, FS, and ER. Orthogonal projection, yang ni lah. PQ, RS, TU. Okay, example 3. Each of the following diagram shows the projection of an object on a vertical plane or a horizontal plane. Determine whether the resulting projection is an orthogonal projection. So like from here. So this is the orthogonal projection or not? Answer is yes. B, like from up, this one. So this is also yes. C, so this is no, because the line projected from the object to the plane is not normal. Yang green color ni dia tak membentuk 90 darjah. Dia sepatutnya macam mana? Macam ni. Dia mesti lurus macam tu. So sebenarnya circle dia kecil je lah. Ini sepatutnya the orthogonal projection. And this is the normal. So yang C ni salah lah. No. Okay, this is your homework for today's lesson. Mind test 7.1a. That's all. Any question before we end our class?
Teacher, in which book do we have to do the homework?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. MM1 ada?
Yes, teacher.
So you buat dalam MM1.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So that's all.
Teacher, so do Maths 1. Teacher, so do the homework in Maths 1.
Yes.
Okay, teacher.
Okay. Any other question? Okay, bye.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you, teacher.
Teacher.
Thank you.